Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out the brand new Shark StainForce Cordless Portable Spot, Stain, and Odor Remover System, Model HX101. This is Shark's latest innovation built to tackle life's biggest messes, from pet stains to coffee spills, with powerful cordless convenience and smart cleaning technology. First off, this isn't your average portable cleaner, it's a cordless system, meaning no more dragging cords across the floor or hunting for outlets. The Shark StainForce HX101 is powered by a high-performance motor that delivers strong suction and deep cleaning action, pulling stains and odors from carpets, area rugs, stairs, and upholstery. One of its standout features is the StainStriker technology, which combines suction, scrubbing, and formula injection all in one motion. It penetrates deep into fibers to lift even set-in stains. Whether it's pet accidents, food spills, or muddy footprints, it leaves fabrics visibly cleaner and fresher. The StainForce system also includes a full-size cleaning solution right in the box, so you can start cleaning immediately. And the storage caddy keeps the accessories, hose, and tools neatly organized, a huge plus for small spaces. With two specialized cleaning attachments, it's designed for total versatility, a pet tool for odor control and hair removal, and a multi-surface tool for everyday stains. The cordless lithium-ion battery gives you long runtime, letting you move from room to room effortlessly. Beyond performance, Shark focused on hygiene. Every removable part is easy to rinse and clean, preventing buildup and bad odors. And because it's Shark, you can trust the build quality, durable, ergonomic, and made for real homes. If you've been searching for a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner that doesn't compromise on power or design, the Shark StainForce HX101 could easily be your next cleaning essential. Don't forget, you can find the link to this cleaner below if you're ready to pick it up on Amazon. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us again here at GadgetVerse for more in-depth reviews of the latest smart home and cleaning tech.